Hello, this is Kevin Heiser with IT Martini. We're here in Indianapolis for IT Martini Hour 15. The theme of this event is State of Innovation, and I'm here with Matthew Gordon from Expected Behavior, and Matt's going to show us his new Project Burndown product that he's releasing. He's currently in private beta. Matt, tell me a little bit about Project Burndown and how you came up with the idea.
So Expected Behavior is a software consulting company, and as we grew, we had more projects, and we started having this problem, and I think a lot of people have. How do you know if you can get all of your work done on time? Because, requirements change, due dates change, and it's not specific to software. Anybody that has projects has these problems. So I looked for software, and I couldn't find anything that made it easy to answer these questions. So we wanted something that was just very simple. And so on the front page, there's a graph, and the graph just tells you very quickly, can you get all your work done on time? This day you're going to have to work 8 hours. This day you're going to have to work 15 hours. Do you want to work 15 hours? No, nobody wants to work 15 hours. Okay, let's move things around.
So it sounds like it's a visualization tool, and maybe for lack of a better example, it's kind of like being able to manage money. You need to know, do I have the resources to be able to get all the things I want to get done, but you're doing it on the project management side. What do I need to be able to get these things done, and looking at them as a whole versus as a sum of each individual one and hoping that you're getting them all done on time. Is that right?
That's absolutely correct. A lot of Project Burndown's utility is about managing capacity and answering the important questions when it comes to project management.
Okay, and as I think of Project Burndown, I'm thinking of project management and different tools that are out in the market. How would that compare to something like Basecamp? What are going to be the difference that I would see if I was using something like Project Burndown?
So, Basecamp is a great tool for communication, and it labels itself as a project management tool, but that's not really what its cornerstone is. The thing, when you look at software, you have to consider what questions it's answering. And Basecamp's answering the question, how can I communicate with my client, and how does my client know when I said I was going to do something? But it doesn't answer the question, when should I be working and how much work do I need to be doing on any given day? So, right now, today, how much work did I need to do on this client's project to stay on schedule? Basecamp is not engineered to answer that question. So Project Burndown fills that gap. It's meant to work with Basecamp, so you get the communication skills of Basecamp, and then we integrate with Basecamp to answer the questions, what do I need to do right now to make sure that my client gets what they need?
Excellent. Well, it definitely sounds like it solves a problem. From a consulting standpoint, and as your business Expected Behavior and you're managing multiple projects, I can see you're solving a problem of how do I know that I'm going to get all these things done. What are going to be some of the benefits as far as my availability, my time resources? Is it going to probably help me speed up projects? What's the end result going to be, or what should I expect to see as a result?
Well, a typical result would be 15 to 30% time got back. A thing that happens when you manage projects without a formal system is you tend to underschedule yourself to help make sure that you can meet your deadlines. And that's good practice, because you want for your clients to be happy, and if you deliver late, they're not happy. But with the visualization that Project Burndown provides, you can schedule yourself to the maximum capacity of your team and be confident that you're going to get it all done.
Excellent. You mentioned it's currently in beta. How many customers do you have using it in the beta phase?
We have 15 different companies using it right now, and it's actually a wide variety. Everything from software companies, design companies, interior design companies, furniture companies, and construction companies. And really anybody that has a project-based business is seeing value in Project Burndown.
Excellent. Well, I do appreciate you being here at IT Martini. As people are going around and they're talking with you, learning more about what you're doing, and they're looking for who are they going to vote for out of all the demos that are here tonight. Obviously, I know you're telling them, vote for me, but what's the one thing you'd want them to remember as they walk over to the ballot box tonight?
If there's one thing you should remember, it's that almost any job, there's a limited amount of time to do it in. And if you need to maximize your time, you need a management tool.
Excellent. Well, I definitely appreciate it, Matt. It's going to be a neat project to watch, and I hope you have the best success with it.
Thank you very much.